What is up, guys? Happy to be on camera again. I've been having these videos come out like really sporadic. This one, I'm gonna probably try to get this one done today, right? Because this is like New Year's Eve. And we're doing the actual New Year's Eve cruise hosted by Tuners Invade. You know, I mess with Tuners Invade really heavy. And the good guys over there set up this New Year's Eve big cruise. So now we just kind of pulling into the event, and I kind of go around, maybe show you a little, pan of the cars that are here and stuff like that. So, I'll show you guys some content. All right, so let me get out. It does look like it's gonna rain. It's mad overcasty right now. But I will show you guys, that. I hope it don't really rain, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? So let's go. Let me go out here. Let me meet some people, and then make it happen. Let's go. Okay, guys, you just saw a couple of the cars that are in the event. We're gonna make our way to Daytona now. Everybody's wrapping up to kind of get in line or whatever it seems, I'm assuming. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna go to this place called Buc-ee's, but then we're gonna go to this really big, I'm assuming that from what I just heard, it's like the biggest gas station in Florida. So let's see how that works. They say the maximum amount of cars that have fit at these gas pumps were like 50. So we're gonna see. See it, but we look like we made it to Daytona Beach. That's the gas station right there, I believe, the one that's right there. So all the cars are kind of lined up doing their thing. So yeah, y'all look at this. No, you good. I'm just recording it for the YouTube. Now this is next level. Come on now. He got the starry headliner too, but if you look, deck of cards. That's crazy. Oh. Good job. Hydro dip, right? That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. You snapped on that one. This, to me, y'all, is probably the dopest thing here. God, this thing is nice. Paint job is crazy. Got the confetti Recaros. Can't beat that, man. That's nice. All right, we gotta wrap it up though, y'all. All right, guys. That's pretty much the video. As you can see, a bunch of the cars are still behind me. But I actually wanted to leave you guys with something kind of cool. I've been kind of alluding to it. I wanted to make a whole big, crazy video about the new wheels that I got for my car. This is probably the right time to show up. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see what I'm working with. Let's go. Here's a quick little shot. He just got this painted this week. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. I know you guys are gonna flame him for the blue rims, but that was from when he had the gray car, when it was, when it was gray. So, wait, Jay, let me get out. That's a nice little shot right there. So yeah, guys, there you have it. So for the people that really like follow me, that really, you know what I'm saying, want to see my content, really want to see, you know, what I'm doing next for the G35, there you go. Yeah, so, you know, it's the Cosmos, they're 18s, so I'm back down to 18-inch rims. I'm not doing the 20s no more. Though I still have them, I am going to be getting them refinished and, you know, fixed and all that stuff like that, because last time when I got the tires looked at, one of them was severely bent. So I'm gonna get all that fixed. There's a place up here called Dr. Not sponsored. There's a place up here called Dr. Rim, and I'm gonna take it to them so they can kind of refinish all the rims and get them all nice and clean and neat. I still love my rims, so I'm gonna definitely keep them. Keep them and see what I do next with them. Maybe there's another build somewhere that I can be able to kind of use them and put them somewhere. You know what I mean? And there, you know, just try to do something with them. I don't want to sell them, but I'll sell them if I really don't care about them, which I do care about them. I think they were the first. I'm so nostalgic like that. You know what I mean? When I do something, I never like to just throw it away. That goes for my relationships too, apparently. But anyway, yeah, so I hope you guys love the content. I hope I showed enough cars. I don't think I really showed too many cars, but I hope you guys did see some of the cars. They were cool. They were cool. Anyway, if you guys like the content, I'm bringing some new shit for 2023. As always, stay humble, stay grateful. As always, stay driven. One.